Hello and welcome to Jack Stinger, my friends. Right there he is. This dude likes to sting kids. That's not nice. Bad boy. Hey, first and foremost, make sure you have your notebook out and you're ready to take some good old notes. And here we go. Jack Stinger stung 32 students at Hamilton Elementary School. He used all but 3/4 ounces of the venom in his venom sac. Then he stung little Loretta Gomez and used 6/7 of the venom left within his sac. Jack Stinger injected blank ounces of venom into little Loretta Gomez. Alrighty, my friends, let's go ahead and just get started here with solving this problem. First of all, Jack Stinger has 3/4 ounces of venom in his venom sac. So he's got 3/4 of an ounce, right? Then he finds little Loretta Gomez, poor little girl, and he stings her and uses 6/7 of, which means times, of the venom in his venom sac. Of this, 3/4, right? So we're going to just say times, and then we've got 6/7. And bam, this is our algorithm that we're going to do. Now, when you're multiplying fractions like these, you simply multiply your numerators and you multiply your denominators. Let's go ahead and do that right now. We've got 3 times 6, which is going to give you 18. So I'm going to write 18 up here for my numerator. And then now here we've got 4 times 7, which is going to give you 28. So I'm going to drop the 28 right there. And this right here is your actual answer. It's just not simplified. 18/28 of an ounce of venom. And that's how much he stung into or injected into little Loretta Gomez, poor little girl. All right. Hey, first of all, let's go ahead and simplify this number right here. And we're going to do that right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this number, 18/28. Now, an indicator that I know, probably the simplest one, is if both of these are even, you know you can always divide this by the giant one of 2/2, or divide by 2, right? So I'm going to simply go divided by the giant one of 2/2, right? And now 18 divided by 2 is going to give you 9, right? So let's go ahead and write this in black. 9, and right here, 28 divided by 2 is going to give you 14, right? So 9/14. And this is actually your true answer. I'm going to do this in red because, youch, that hurts, right? Having the venom stung into you, youch. And she got 9/14 of an ounce injected into her, and that's a shame. Let's go ahead and write that in there. We've got 9/14, and that right there is your answer, my friends. This is the algorithm of how you would solve this problem. You've got the algorithm here and then the simplification of this fraction here. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at a mathematical model that shows what's actually happening with this. So I'm going to make a big old box here. And this whole box is representing 1 full ounce of venom, right? And Jack Stinger does not have a full ounce. He's only got 3/4 of an ounce. So I'm going to break this into 4 parts, right? 4 parts. And 4 parts means 3 lines. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. And that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Now, Jack Stinger has 3 out of the 4 parts still full of that red hot venom. So I'll do this in red. And there we go. Try and center that as best I can. And I think that's pretty good, right? Super. This is a little over the edge. Let's fix that because I want to. There we go. All right. So now he's got 1, 2, 3 out of 4, 3/4 ounces of venom, right? Now he flies over to little Loretta Gomez and uses 6/7 of all this venom, right? So I'm going to make 7 parts, right, going up and down. 7 parts means 6 lines. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 lines, and that should give me 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 parts, right? Now, Jack Stinger used 6 out of those 7 parts, right? So let's go ahead and circle 6 of the 7 parts, and we've got, just draw a line straight down here. And this is how much Jack Stinger injected into poor little Loretta Gomez. Youch. All right, let's count this up. And I'm going to use black for this. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 out of the full 1 ounce, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 7 times 4 is 28. So I'm going to drop the 28 there. I'm going to just make that a little bigger so it's easier to see. 28. And right there, lo and behold, you got 18/28, which agrees with our algorithm over here of 18/28. And this is your algorithm. This is your mathematical model. And then this is, once again, this 18/28 would just get simplified down to 9/14. And bam, there you have it, my friends. That right there is how much venom Jack Stinger injected into poor little Loretta Gomez. Hey, what I'd like you to do right now is go ahead and back this video up to when I first started doing the algorithm, and then play a little pause and copy, play a little pause and copy until you've done the entire problem side by side with me, my friends, because that is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.